Get ready, because the future is now. The pace of innovation is absolutely relentless, and here at ChatGPT Insights, we're bringing you the absolutely essential updates you cannot afford to miss. From market-shaking financial plays to groundbreaking space ventures and pivotal shifts in global industries, the news cycle is firing on all cylinders. We've scoured the landscape to bring you the stories that are shaping tomorrow, today. So buckle up, because you're about to get the inside track on what's making waves and what's coming next. Don't just follow the trends, understand them. Stick around, because this is the intel you need. Our first deep dive looks into the astronomical ambitions of Gemini Space Station, which is gearing up for a massive IPO, aiming to raise hundreds of millions of dollars. But this isn't just any space venture. They're integrating cryptocurrency into their financial strategy, a move that could redefine how space exploration is funded. What does this mean for the future of space commerce and digital assets? Then, we pivot to the automotive world, where a titan is making a bold comeback. Bosch is reinventing itself, specifically targeting the booming electric vehicle market in India. After achieving significant success in China, Bosch is now looking to replicate and perhaps even surpass that triumph on Indian soil. What strategies are they employing, and what does this mean for the competitive landscape of EVs in India? And in a story that's capturing the attention of tech investors and enthusiasts alike, Gemini is eyeing a staggering $2.2 billion valuation for its upcoming U.S. IPO, with a significant backing from none other than the Winklevoss twins. What's driving this massive valuation, and what does it signal for the broader tech market? Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a beat. Gemini eyes 2.2 valuation in U.S. IPO, backed by Winklevoss twins. Gemini, the cryptocurrency exchange founded by the Winklevoss twins, is reportedly preparing for a significant move into the public markets with a U.S. initial public offering, IPO, that could value the company at an impressive $2.2 billion. This highly anticipated listing signifies a major milestone for the digital asset industry, as it represents a growing acceptance and integration of cryptocurrencies into mainstream financial systems. The backing by the Winklevoss twins, early Bitcoin investors and pioneers in the crypto space, lends considerable weight and credibility to Gemini's ambitions. While specific details regarding the IPO timeline and the number of shares to be offered remain under wraps, sources familiar with the matter suggest that Gemini has been engaging with investment banks to underwrite the offering. The company's strong performance in recent years, fueled by the increasing adoption of digital assets and the growing demand for secure and regulated cryptocurrency trading platforms, has positioned it favorably for a public debut. Gemini has consistently emphasized its commitment to regulatory compliance and security, differentiating itself in a rapidly evolving and often volatile market. The potential $2.2 billion valuation underscores the significant growth and market potential perceived in the cryptocurrency exchange sector. Gemini has worked diligently to build a robust platform that caters to both retail and institutional investors, offering a wide range of digital assets, trading tools, and educational resources. Their focus on user experience and security has been a key driver of their success, attracting a loyal customer base. The company's expansion into areas like Gemini Earn, which allows users to earn interest on their crypto holdings, and its development of proprietary blockchain technology further highlight its innovative approach. Industry analysts view Gemini's potential IPO as a pivotal moment for the broader cryptocurrency market. A successful listing could pave the way for other major crypto firms to follow suit, potentially leading to greater institutional investment and increased regulatory clarity. The involvement of the Winklevoss twins, known for their early foresight into Bitcoin's potential, adds a compelling narrative to the offering, resonating with both crypto enthusiasts and traditional investors. However, the path to an IPO is not without its challenges. The cryptocurrency market remains subject to significant volatility and regulatory scrutiny. Gemini will need to demonstrate sustained growth, profitability, and a clear strategy for navigating the evolving regulatory landscape to ensure a successful public offering and maintain investor confidence post-listing. The company's ability to adapt to changing market dynamics and continue innovating will be crucial for its long-term success. The market is keenly watching Gemini's next steps, anticipating how this significant IPO will impact the cryptocurrency industry's trajectory and its integration into the global financial ecosystem. This move could very well be a game changer, solidifying crypto's place in the investment world. Hold on tight, the journey into the digital frontier is just beginning. Next, we're diving deep into the world of space exploration and its surprising financial ties. Gemini Space Station, IPO, aims for $317 million amid cryptocurrency integration push. In a move that could signal a new era for space commercialization, Gemini Space Station is reportedly preparing to launch its initial public offering, IPO, with ambitions to raise approximately $317 million. What sets this venture apart is its groundbreaking integration of cryptocurrency into its financial framework, a strategy that aims to leverage the burgeoning digital asset market to fund its ambitious space projects. This dual focus on space exploration and blockchain technology positions Gemini Space Station at the intersection of two of the most transformative industries of our time. The company's vision extends beyond traditional space ventures. Gemini Space Station plans to develop and operate orbital platforms, potentially serving as hubs for research, manufacturing, and even tourism in space. By incorporating cryptocurrency, they aim to create a more accessible and dynamic funding model, allowing a broader range of investors, including those within the crypto community, to participate in the financing of space exploration. This approach could democratize access to space ventures, which have historically been dominated by government agencies and a select few private entities. Details surrounding the specific cryptocurrency integrations are still emerging, but industry observers speculate that Gemini Space Station might utilize its own token for transactions, rewards, or even governance within its ecosystem. Such a move would not only align with the growing trend of Web3 integration, but also create a self-sustaining financial loop for the company. The funds raised from the IPO are earmarked for critical development phases, including the construction of their space station modules, launch operations, and the establishment of key partnerships. This initiative comes at a time when the private space sector is experiencing unprecedented growth and innovation. Companies are increasingly exploring commercial opportunities beyond Earth's orbit, from satellite deployment and resource extraction to interplanetary travel. Gemini Space Station's IPO, if successful, would provide a significant capital injection, enabling them to accelerate their roadmap and potentially outpace competitors. The integration of cryptocurrency into such a capital-intensive and high-stakes industry like space exploration is a bold step. It reflects a growing confidence in the potential of blockchain technology to revolutionize various sectors. While the volatility of the crypto market presents inherent risks, the potential rewards, including increased investor engagement and novel financial mechanisms, are substantial. Gemini Space Station's success could serve as a powerful precedent for future space-focused ventures looking to tap into the crypto economy. Market analysts are closely watching this development, noting that the success of Gemini Space Station's IPO could have far-reaching implications. It might encourage more innovative funding models for ambitious projects, bridging the gap between emerging technologies and established industries. The convergence of space and crypto could unlock new avenues for investment and participation in humanity's expansion into the cosmos. From the stars to the roads, the world of innovation never stops evolving. Our next story takes us to the heart of the automotive industry, where a familiar name is making a powerful resurgence. Bosch back in reckoning as it reinvents to repeat China's success in India EVs. Robert Bosch GmbH, a global giant in technology and services, is strategically repositioning itself to capture a significant share of India's burgeoning electric vehicle (EV) market. Building on its substantial success and experience in China, the world's largest EV market, Bosch is implementing a multifaceted strategy to replicate and potentially surpass its achievements in India. This move signifies a major commitment to the Indian automotive landscape, particularly in the rapidly expanding electric mobility sector. Bosch's approach involves leveraging its extensive portfolio of automotive technologies, including advanced powertrain components, battery management systems, thermal management solutions, and connectivity features, all tailored for electric vehicles. The company has been a long-standing player in the Indian automotive industry, supplying components to virtually all major vehicle manufacturers. However, with the global shift towards electrification, Bosch is intensifying its focus on EV-specific solutions, aiming to become a key enabler of India's electric mobility transition. The company's experience in China has provided invaluable insights into the dynamics of a high-growth EV market. Bosch has established strong relationships with Chinese automakers and has been instrumental in developing and supplying critical EV technologies. This includes localized production of battery components, electric motors, and power electronics, ensuring competitiveness and adherence to local market demands. Bosch aims to transfer this knowledge, adapt its supply chain, and foster similar partnerships within India. For the Indian market, Bosch is emphasizing localization and R&D. This includes investing in local manufacturing capabilities for EV components, thereby reducing costs and lead times, and aligning with the Indian government's Make in India initiative. Furthermore, Bosch is actively collaborating with Indian automotive manufacturers, providing them with the technological expertise and components necessary to develop and scale their EV offerings. This collaborative approach is crucial for accelerating the adoption of electric vehicles across various segments, from two-wheelers and three-wheelers to passenger cars and commercial vehicles. Bosch's strategy also encompasses software and digital solutions for EVs, such as charging management systems, vehicle-to-grid, V2G capabilities, and over-the-air OTA updates. As the automotive industry becomes increasingly software-defined, Bosch's expertise in electronics, software, and connectivity is a significant advantage. The company is also focusing on developing solutions for the entire EV ecosystem, including charging infrastructure and battery recycling, to support sustainable mobility. Industry analysts believe Bosch's deep technological expertise, global manufacturing footprint, and strong local presence in India provide it with a distinct competitive edge. Its ability to offer a comprehensive suite of EV components and systems, coupled with a commitment to localization and innovation, positions it well to capitalize on the immense growth potential of the Indian EV market. The success of this strategy could not only bolster Bosch's position in India, but also serve as a blueprint for its expansion in other emerging EV markets. From the engine's hum to the stock market's pulse, we're tracking the trends that matter. Get ready for our final story, where we explore the financial strategies driving ambition in both the stock and crypto worlds. Gemini Horoscope today, 3rd September 2025. Partnerships strengthen through clear dialogue. As September 3rd, 2025, dawns, the celestial energies are aligning to foster profound growth and understanding, particularly in the realm of partnerships. For those under the Gemini sign, this day promises an enhancement of connections through open and honest communication. The stars are encouraging a period where dialogues become clearer, leading to stronger bonds and more collaborative efforts in both personal and professional relationships. This astrological forecast suggests that any lingering misunderstandings or unspoken expectations within partnerships are likely to dissipate. The key to unlocking this positive potential lies in proactive and transparent communication. Whether it's a romantic relationship, a business venture, or a close friendship, taking the time to articulate thoughts and feelings with clarity will be highly beneficial. This isn't just about talking. It's about active listening and ensuring mutual understanding, creating a foundation of trust and empathy. The influence of planetary movements on this particular day is said to favor diplomacy and mutual respect. For Geminis, this translates into an amplified ability to navigate complex interpersonal dynamics with grace. Opportunities may arise to resolve past conflicts or to solidify existing agreements by engaging in sincere conversations. The energy of the day supports building bridges, finding common ground, and appreciating the unique contributions each partner brings to the table. Professionally, this could manifest as stronger team dynamics, more successful collaborations on projects, and a clearer understanding of shared goals. In personal relationships, it points towards deeper intimacy, increased emotional support, and a more harmonious coexistence. The emphasis on clear dialogue is a powerful tool that Geminis can wield to strengthen their alliances and foster an environment of shared growth and success. However, the celestial alignment also serves as a reminder that even with favorable energies, effort is required. The strength of partnerships on this day will directly correlate with the willingness of individuals to engage in meaningful and honest communication. Avoiding assumptions and embracing vulnerability will be crucial for maximizing the benefits of this supportive astrological aspect. By focusing on clarity and sincerity, Geminis can transform their relationships, making them more resilient and fulfilling. This period is ideal for setting intentions around partnership dynamics, reaffirming commitments, and actively working towards mutual understanding. The day's cosmic configuration offers a unique opportunity to refine how partnerships are nurtured, ensuring they are built on a bedrock of clear communication and shared vision, leading to lasting strength and prosperity. That's a wrap on today's cosmic guidance for partnerships. Now, let's shift gears from the stars to the streets with a look at how major companies are navigating the competitive landscape. And that's a wrap on another information-packed episode. We saw Gemini eye a massive $2.2 billion IPO backed by the Winklevoss twins, signaling a significant moment for crypto's mainstream acceptance. Then, Gemini Space Station aims for a $317 million IPO, integrating crypto to fund its cosmic ambitions. We also covered Bosch's strategic reinvention to dominate India's booming EV market, leveraging its China success. Finally, we explored how partnerships are strengthened through clear dialogue, according to the Gemini Horoscope for September 3, 2025. Don't miss out on any of the action. Smash that like button if you found this valuable, subscribe for more cutting-edge insights, and hit the notification bell so you're always the first to know. Ring in with your thoughts in the comments below and follow us on all our social channels to stay connected. Until next time, stay informed, stay inspired.